angle at the center and angle at the circumference of a circle. Light rays from distant objects are focused to a point on the retina if a person has normal vision. If the eye represents a circle, then the path of the light from the lens to the retina represents a chord. The angle formed by two of these chords to the same point on the retina represents an inscribed angle. Central angle. A central angle has its vertex at the center of the circle. Angle AOB, angle DOA and angle DOB are central angles at O. Inscribed angle. An inscribed angle has its vertex on the circle and its sides are chords. Angle ABC, angle BCD and angle CDE are inscribed angles. Subtended angles. Angle RAT is said to be the angle subtended by the tree TR at A. So, the tree subtends an angle of 30 degrees at A. This can be described as follows. An angle of 30 degrees is subtended at A by the tree. The subtended angle is an angle formed by an object at a given external point. Let us learn about some angle properties related to circles. Measurement of angles is very important in geometry as well as in life. Much of the work of surveyors, engineers, navigators, astronomers and scientists is based upon the measurement of angles. In the given figure, observe the various positions of the angles in a circle. Observe figure 3. In figure 3, vertex coincides with the center of the circle. Arms of the angle are the radii of the circle. An angle with its vertex at the center of the circle is called a central angle of a circle. It is also called as angle at the center. Observe figure 4. In figure 4, vertex is on the circumference of the circle. Arms of the angle are the chords of the circle. An angle with its vertex on the circumference of a circle is called inscribed angle of a circle. Angle at the circumference. Observe figure 1 and 2. Vertex does not lie on the circle. Therefore, they are not central angles. Observe figure 5. one arm of the angle is outside the circle. Therefore, it is not an inscribed angle. Subtended angle. Observe the figure. Angle AOB, chord AB, and arc AXB are shown in the figure. Each of these are said to subtend the other. Here, arc AXB subtends angle AOB, or angle AOB subtends arc AXB. Example. See, in the first example, angle AOB and angle ACB are subtended by the arc AB. In the second example, angle AOB is subtended by the arc AB. In the third example, angle ACB is subtended by the minor arc AB. Now, try to perform an activity. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters and draw central and inscribed angles in it. Angle POQ is equal to 60 degrees. Angle PRQ is equal to 30 degrees. Angle MON is equal to 180 degrees. Angle MPN is 90 degrees. Here, in this third figure, angle XOY is equal to 100 degrees. Angle XZY is equal to 50 degrees. What is your conclusion? Central angle is equal to twice the inscribed angle.